Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Bala. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to explore about cloud computing and its impact in the bio-IT sector. If you are a biologist or if you are a non-tech beginner who want to explore this area, this session will be relevant for you. We will also be providing you the advantages and significance of learning these things in the bio-IT and in the biological sector. So let's get started. And if you are a new viewer to the channel, I would also request you to like and subscribe the channel and do share these educational content to your scientific endeavor. So let's start the session. Let's first understand what is cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to delivering of computing services including storage, databases, server, networking, software and analytics over the internet. Instead of owning their own computing infrastructure or data centers, company can rent access to anything from application to storage from a cloud service provider. Imagine we are in a time of data revolution and big data, so we all require these kind of services. So let's see what is the importance of cloud computing, very particularly in the bioinformatics sector. Cloud computing has revolutionized the field of bioinformatics by providing scalable, cost-effective and flexible solution for processing and analyzing vast amount of big biological data. And here are some of the reasons why it is crucial. The number one is scalability. It allows bioinformatics analysis to scale up or down easily based on the computational demand. Its cost effectiveness. This eliminates the need for investing in the expensive hardware and maintenance costs associated with on-premise computing infrastructures. The next one is flexibility. This also offers on-demand access to computational resources, enabling researchers and data scientists to perform analysis from anywhere at any time. It also facilitates collaboration among researchers and scientists by providing a centralized platform for data sharing and analysis. Moreover, advanced analytics. This provides access to advanced analytic tools and technologies such as machine learning, big data processing for extracting valuable insight from the biological data. Here are the application of cloud computing in the bioinformatics sector. Cloud computing finds diverse applications in bioinformatics, which include genomic data analysis, processing and analyzing large-scale genomic data for variant calling, gene expression analysis, and genome assembly, etc. And the next one is the omics studies like proteomics and metabolomics. It has significant impact in analyzing protein and metabolite data for biomarker discovery, drug development, and personalized medicine. The next one is structural biology, predicting the biomolecule structure, simulating the molecular dynamics, and docking studies. The next one is phylogenetic, understanding the evolutionary relationship among species based on molecular data, and also in the drug discovery by screening the compounds, virtual screening, and molecular docking studies for drug discovery. So if you are a non-tech or a biologist or beginner who want to learn cloud computing and want to enter bio-IT sector, here's the simple roadmap with the skills that are required to enter such industry. The number one is basic of cloud computing. Understand the fundamentals of cloud computing model, service models, and deployment models like AWS or Google Cloud. The next one is Linux proficiency. Especially for handling big data and working on the cloud system, you require Linux proficiency. Gain expertise in the Linux operating system as it is widely used in cloud environment and bioinformatics related to big data. Learn how to use popular cloud platforms such as AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform. Familiarize yourself with the services relevant to bioinformatics such as EC2, S3 or Batch AWS, VMs and blob storage, etc. The next one is containerization. Understand the technologies like Docker, which are essential for deploying and managing the bioinformatics workflow in the cloud. Along with that, bioinformatics tool. It is also important to familiarize yourself with bioinformatics tools and libraries that are commonly used in cloud environment such as BWA, SAM tools, Bioconductor and Emboss. Moreover, scripting and programming. Learn scripting languages like Python and programming languages like R as they are widely used in automating bioinformatics workflow and data analysis. We also provide such courses for biologists at Molecular Informatics. So if any one of you who are interested in learning these programming language can contact us. The next one is data management and security. Understand the principle of data management, security, and compliance in cloud environment, especially considering the sensitive nature of biological data. And lastly, the continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest advancement in cloud computing technology and bioinformatics by attending workshops, webinars, and conferences, and by participating in online courses and real-time projects. If you are ready to dive into the exciting world of bioinformatics, you can also join our BioIT training program, where you will gain hands-on experience in BioIT and its application. If you have liked the session, kindly subscribe to our channel for educational content, tutorial, and updates on the latest trends in BioIT and biotech.